how to fix blurry story on Facebook. So for an example, here I want to post a story and also with a music. So for an example, I'll be selecting this one. So let's suppose that you keep this music layout in the middle of the photograph. So while you do this, this will also affect the quality of video. Rather than we suggest you to put the music layout on the top of the photograph so that it does not blur out your Facebook story. So once you have done this, now the next thing is you have to head back and tap on the hamburger icon and head to the settings option. Now from this list, go ahead and scroll down and tap on media. Right here, if you have toggle on the data saver, you simply have to go ahead and toggle it off. This is because while the data saver can help you to save some of the data, it is also one of the reasons why your story is blurry. And let's move on to the another thing. Press and hold your Facebook application and go to app info and force stop your application. Head to storage and cache and clear the cache. Now once you do that, check for your Wi-Fi connection. You can also enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off and turn on your Wi-Fi once again. And simply like that, you'll be able to solve your issue. So make sure to give this a try and thank you so much for watching.